Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off manually this Lenovo earbuds. So at the first we have to take them out of this case, and as you can see in my case they are turned off, indicators are not enabled, so we have to click and hold right here and right here together until these indicators right here starts flashing. So let's make it right now. As you can see right now, they just turn on. And also they are synchronized and they are right now connected with my phone. So that's how we can power on this device, and to power off we have to just do the same, but right now we have to wait until this indicators turns to the red. Okay, as you can see they blink 3 times, and also we hear the notification sound that they are turned off. And that's how it looks in this device. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.